Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on team settings. To get to team settings from the About screen, you're going to use your left side navigation and click on Team and then Team Settings. Here, the team owner can set the picture, the thumbnail picture for the team. They can set team name information, as well as they can invite new team members to the team. All you have to do is click invite new team members, type in their email address here, and click on the blue invite button. You can also view pending invitations below, and you have the option to resend those pending invitations. As a team member, in order to leave the team, you need to access team settings. From team settings, you will just simply click on leave team and then confirm with leave, or in this instance, I will cancel. That is our tutorial on team settings. Thank you.